Why, hello there, human beings. I can't seem to see you right now over the sheer size of this massive, gigantic figure that's gonna be super duper awesome. Welcome back to the Manga Sloth. Today we got this gigantic figure. I do not show figures off very often. I do get a good amount of figures and I don't show them off very often, so I definitely wanted to show off this big honkin' boy. This figure is, if you can see here on the box, DT Studios. I bought this off of Favor GK. We are going to do a speed run where I get all the pieces laid out and we are going to build it together. We are not wasting time. We are having fun. Let's go. This figure is going to be none other than, boom, my man Bartholomew Kuma from One Piece. Now this figure, if you can see on the box here, right there, this is number 175 of only 300 of these in the world. So now we're gonna bring you in closer. I'm gonna get all the pieces laid out on the table one by one, and we're gonna put this puppy together and see how we look. Also see the quality of DT Studios and hopefully not see if any pieces are broken. right, let's talk about this big boy, the Bartholomew Kuma from DT Studios. This was the first time I ordered something from DT Studio, and overall, I'm happy. I'm very impressed. Build-wise, it is very solid. All the pieces go into place perfectly, like many figures or resin statues. It did not have instructions. I have a normal size one-piece manga here to give you an idea of how big this guy is. It has some lights in there which light up these 4 kind of like science tubes down here, and then the bottom, these orange pieces on each side, there's 4 of them, they light up also. There was not one thing damaged in any way, any shape, or any form. The packaging on this was wonderful. Every single piece, down to the smallest one the size of my thumb, was put into a plastic bag, put in encased foam with a top on, and taped down with softer foam padding around each one. So let me know if you enjoyed this bonus video, and if you want to see some bonus figure videos every so often. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. I love hearing from you all, and I will see you all next time.